Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good day, and whatever time this live stream reaches you. This is Sneaker Dan and Rising Flag TV coming to you from Cavite, Philippines. So this is just a short statement or just a short uh, content about what will be the future of the Sneaker Dan and Rising Flag TV channel, which is just recently monetized and is getting a lot of traction when it comes to funny videos and it's basically all those short clips na na-enjoy ng mga viewers from everywhere in the world. So, what's going to be the story behind this statement? This statement comes out, of course, after a while. Medyo nawawalan tayo ng content, medyo hindi tayo nag-set up ng mga vlogs or anything which kind of surprises the regular subscribers and nagtatanong kung bakit hindi na tayo nag-live stream with those political contents and those basically the usual uh, information that we provide regarding the benefit of the government. So we come up with just slight changes that is subjected to these channels and uh, we are hoping umaasa tayo na maunawaan tayo ng mga viewers natin and may mga regular subscribers natin and possibly we gain new subscribers from this content na gagawin natin. So it's not normally a regular content that you will expect. It will come out of basically every activity that we'll be doing from today and forward. So what is it? Well, what is that content? So this content stems from the current situation that we are in. Uh, and basically, ito naman talaga yung ito naman yung aim ng ng content na to. Hindi naman to all about bickering, all about countering the other side or just making the other side look like a fool or anything. It's just about just fun, friendship, and just feeling patriotic about the country. So, what generally changes? So, this is what is going to change with this one. Um, we are recalibrating. We are redoing some of the contents, and we are trying to adapt it to the current situation. So, what is the current situation? Sorry about that. The current situation. I'm sorry about that. Okay, the current situation is um, we are subjected to a certain problem, and this is not a secret to my close friends and close someone. Uh, and basically, we are in a bind with a financial company. So, but we are not seeking any help from anyone. We are not asking for assistance in order to address the financial problem. We are we are actually trying to help out someone because basically what happened is uh, I was subjected to a financial woes by offering a help to someone. Tumulong kasi ako sa isang tao eh. She is a single mother, mother of two, uh, malnourished and unhealthy. Eh, syempre, pag gano'n ang sitwasyon ng bata, parang medyo pinanghihinaan ako sa talagang as much as I can, I really want to help. Gusto ko talaga tumulong. Yun talagang yun talagang ko eh. Yun ang basic reaction ko towards that situation. So, so what gives? So, after that, I was subjected to after helping, I was subjected to the situation that I am right now. Uh, I'm being chased by the financial collection team. But as much as I would like to pin the blame on the person who actually owed me money, she cannot do anything about it. I've tried for a few months and it's to no avail. So it's affecting my work, affecting my mindset. It's affecting my decision making. So I took it upon myself now to probably help myself and help the person. This is very unusual. Yung tao na nagkakautang sa'yo, gusto mo pang tulungan para mabayaran yung utang, para maayos na. Ikaw pa tutulong, di ba? Ikaw na nga pinagkakautang. So, this is very unusual. So, that's basically it. That's what I'm trying to do. So, I'm making most of the situation. I'm trying to seek what's the best position that I can do in order to fix the problem. Nag-try ako humingi ng tulong doon sa mga taong malapit sa akin and doon na rin sa mga taong natulungan ko before. And nothing came up, nothing was returned. Kasi malaki yung amount eh. And that's quite understandable. Hindi ka makakasa ng reaction even to a smallest part of those of the actual money that was owed. The money that was owed is 115,000. So that was very, very humongous. That was very big. So hindi ka talaga makaka-expect ng reaction. But of course, there will be a big reaction from the collection department of the institution. So how can I fix it? Paano ko ma-straighten out to? So this is my solution. This is my idea that probably can help the person out and help me out. So, from here on, since mahirap umiram ng pera na malaki, mahirap umiram ng amount na talagang at least makakatulong para mabayaran yung utang. So, I'll be running a endless vlog, endless content of asking people to lend me 1 peso. Just 1 peso. I don't need more than 1 peso. I just need 1 peso for each person and I will promise to pay it. Okay? I will pay the 1 peso. I don't need any extra because any extra or big money will be hard. Mahirap humiram ng malaking pera. And that's understandable. Piso lang. Piso lang ang kailangan namin. And we will pay it. Okay? So, this is an advance call to my friends, to my relatives. Piso lang naman. Manghihiram muna ako sa inyo. Kakapalan ko na mukha ko para makatulong ako doon sa taong nagkakautang sa akin. Kasi para medyo nade-desperate na rin ako sa situation kasi parang nahihirapan na ako doon sa pagdadala ng collections and anything. So, I'll just need to raise whatever amount will be raised on a daily basis out of that 1 peso run. I'll be approaching random people and as their assistants and promise to repay them if they won't give their details, if they won't give their name or their phone number. I'll just ask to do a selfie with them so that I will see their face and then pay them later on. Okay? And who knows what will happen to this endeavor? What will happen to the amount that will be raised? Probably if it went beyond the amount that was owed, kung lumampas man to doon sa utang, then I can reestablish my free call center training. I am doing free call center training and I've placed a lot of people in the call center industry through call center training. So probably that's another option that I can have, and I will do it. Probably free caregiver training, if that's an available option. So free call center training, free caregiver training, anything is possible. So uh, this is a big task. This is a big challenging task, and I'm really hoping for your support. I understand if you will judge me. I understand if you have some questions about me. I understand if you will laugh about this, and I definitely understand if you don't believe in this endeavor. But certainly, I believe I will push for it, and I know that even though you're not believing right now, later on probably you will have some changes, and for sure, my understanding and my feeling about being a part of the community is still there. Is still uh, working. Okay. So uh, this is going to be an arduous task, and I'm really hoping that everyone will understand me, and I hope to see you soon. Okay. So thank you so much. Thank you to everyone, and I hope that we will see each other on the next content that I'll be coming up with, because this is going to be a continuous content, and I'm quite excited about this, and very optimistic, because I don't feel that I have so many things to lose with this. I just push for this and just aspire to achieve whatever aspirations or things will be achieved by this endeavor. Thank you so much. Thank you for staying with me on this live. Again, this is Sneaker Dan, Rising Flag TV. Wishing you all the great things to come in your way, and see you around. We can.